뭐 해줄 거야 엄마한테?
and robot.
엄마 로봇 줄 거야 선물?
No, you have to keep it like a secret. You told her already, so mommy knows.
로봇 줄 거야 엄마 선물.
Honey, Leo. I must smell how fungo.
저리 가.
아니야, 저리 안 갈 거야. This one is your night sword.
Thank you.
Good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Rice is like rice pudding. It's really hot, that rice.
You just come out from the rice cooker. What do you expect? 위에 거 먹을래?
Honey,
You
No.
sure?
there.
You want a little sip?
Hot. No, not these.
No, thank you.
No, thank
It's not nice.
you. No, it's hot.
No.
Because this is your bigger sword.
Ooh, what's this bit on the top then? What's the bit sticking out at the top of the sword?
That's the sword.
So two, huh?
That's the sword protecting the superior. There.
어?
He didn't say anything that was English. Something about the sword protecting the stupid real.
No, the superheroes.
Superhero! The sword protecting the superhero. Chloe and Leo, come here.
Who put in
Leo
the
did.
flag?
That looks like a big boat, Leo. I like your big viewing tower on the boat. Or is that the
It's
steam?
not.
Is that the steam?
It's a
Is that where
sword.
the steam comes out?
It's a
The
sword.
smoke.
It's a sword. No, it's not.
What is it,
It's a
Leo?
sword.
Is that where the people can see where the boat's going, or is that where the steam comes out?
No, that's the flag where the people move it.
Ah, that's the flag, is it? The flag?
It's a sword.
Chloe, it's his boat. It's whatever he wants it to be, not what you're telling me it is.
I made him the sword.
Yeah, but you turned the sword into something for his boat, so that's good, right? No, he did. Didn't he? Silly monkey. You have to get used to when you give something to somebody, it's not yours anymore, it's theirs, and they can do what they want with it, right? Hmm?
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know that, do you? You think you can still have it and control it even when you've given it to somebody.
Boop,
Don't you?
boop.
That's not right, is
Amma.
it?
가져가봐. 잘 갔다 와. Car and the house and the jewelry and the necklaces.
Tesco's.
Yeah.
See what they got in Tesco's. Closed Tuesday anyway. Hopefully she'll decide nice things for you.
Bye. 뭐?
여기야.
뭐야?
엄마 같이야.
클레오 골랐어? 냄새 좋다. 고마워.
You have to read it to her as well. What does it say?
Mommy, I love you.
Can you read the card to her? What does it say?
I don't know.
Can you try?
No.
I love you. 클레오 읽어줘 이 시간아.
I love you, mommy. I wish you can be happy all the time. From Chloe and now kiss her.
아.
What does it say on there, Chloe? Do you remember what the badge says?
What all the world
Good. Worlds.
the best mom.
World's best mom.
Upside down.
다시 달아줘 그러면.
She loves me more. She loves me more.
That's you. Red wine and coffee.
맞아. Hopefully. You have to read.
It says, hopefully next year will be somewhere better. I hope you feel the love on your birthday. To Eugene, I know the situation isn't great at the moment and this isn't the best way to spend our birthday, but at least we are all together and all healthy. Plus, at least I remembered your birthday, unlike someone. All my love.
Thank you. Do you need my help?
No, I'm alright, thanks. Everything's really spicy by the way, because I put loads of fresh chilli in it.
Ah, okay. So kids can't eat.
Yeah.
They already had lunch. It's fine.
Ice.
먹을래?
아, 괜찮아. 이거 레몬이야?
라임이야.
엄마 스weet 안 해. 아, 그거 해도 돼. 아싸리 해도 돼, 아마.
해봐.
아, 리오.
And the birthday cocktail.
First day of Christmas, my true love gave me.
리오.
How is it? The beef is probably alright.
Yeah, beef.
How's the pad thai? It tastes alright, doesn't it? That, I'm not sure about though, because I didn't want to add water to it because it hasn't got a very strong taste anyway. It's just mostly coconut.
Yeah, it's quite bland.
Yum! I
What?
want more of that.
No, it's got alcohol in it.
I want that, I want that.
Just let him sip a little bit. 올라가서 놀아.
Yum!
It's questo, right?
Silly Liam. Silly.
Singing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Ali, don't. Mommy, blow the
No, she's got
candle.
to wait until the sparkler finishes. Sing it again.
한 번 더. 한국어로.
Happy
생일
축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는
우리 엄마 생일
축하합니다.
예 같이 불어.
Oh, he's going to cut the cake. It's got raspberry.
EU. They're all to be on mine.
Just taste it, Chloe, before you stop complaining.
Thank you. 맛있네.
They're from beetroot.
Really?
Have it with your old drink.
I want
Sweet,
this.
sweet. Everything sweet.
I want to have this one.
Give that to me.
What's that? Very long parent. Dad, can I please have nine?
Sharing with Leo.
Oh, we need two. Oh, Karen. Karen.
I'm going to have another piece of cake.
Really?
I'll cut it.
Mama. Alcohol. It is not alcohol, Leo. Why the bubbles there?
It's fizzy water.
Fizzy water.
Yeah. Not water. Water.
Water.
Ugh, I won't drink it in anymore. It's too sweet. Ugh. Ah.
Ma.
You haven't finished that yet?
Okay.
Well, you have that there for me.
Yum, yummy.
Some chocolate.
Yum. Alcohol for me.
Leo, don't do that. What are you doing, you silly boy? That's a silly boy thing. Look, you've ruined your water now. Drink it.
Alcohol.
It's fizzy water.
Fizzy water. I just like that Leo no.
Why?
Because
Too fizzy? Too many bubbles?
too many.
Try again then. It might be easier this time.
That's yours, Chloe. Nope.
She doesn't want it. You put a load of chocolate in it. You drink it.
No, no, no.
No, no, no.